Today we are in Eltham and we're installing a 6.6 kilowatt solar PV along with a hybrid sun-grow inverter with a 9.6 kilowatt battery. This is Longi all black, and then this is a sun-grow hybrid 8 kilowatt inverter, and we are planning to install sun-grow battery. And at the same property we have also installed a heat pump, a Aquatech heat pump. Let me show it to you. This is a Aquatech heat pump. We have replaced the old gas hot water system and basically installed a Aquatech heat pump. So this is the customer is on the journey to be self-reliant and basically all electric homes. So if you're considering all electric homes, talk to us so we can basically start your journey and give you the right solution. Thank you.